All right, here we have question 9. This is a map between two people. We have Kate's house and Ben's house. How many yards apart is Ken's house to Ben's house? The fact that we see this visually, between them, it is a linear line like this from Kate's house to Ben's house. But the problem is we can't count it we can't count it diagonally. Therefore, we have to count it horizontally and vertically. So let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 8, right? And then the up value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. If you notice that this forms a right triangle, therefore you can essentially use Pythagorean theorem to get this distance here. Okay. You can call the distance C if you would like. And then this length can be A equals to 8, and B is equal to 6. This is technically a Pythagorean triple if you like, but I'm going to still do the calculation for you. Okay, D equals to this, basically it's A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. But here this is 8 squared plus 6 squared is equal to C squared. But if you square root both sides like this, okay, so this should be square root 64 plus 36 is equal to C. So C is equal to the square root of 100, which is just the square root of 10. Right, so that's what that distance is. That would be 10. Their friend Jackson lives exactly halfway between Ben and Kate. What is the coordinate? So notice this was 8 horizontally, so half of that would be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up 3 because that's half of 6. So here would be their friend Jason's house, and it is the coordinate of 2, -1.